Dear students, we are continuing the lecture of the meaning of a bank, and in our first part of the lecture we have understood that how the word bank has come into existence, and now let us go to the concept of bank, which we all know that a bank is a financial institution and that accepts deposits from the public and creates credit. We all know that in a bank we can keep our money in safely in the safe custody of the bank, and therefore most of us, we have an account with a bank, and in that bank we keep our money. And after taking the deposits from us, what a bank does is that they lend out this money to the people who need it, and thereby they can create credit in the economy. And due to the importance of banks in the financial stability of a country, most jurisdictions exercise a high degree of regulation over banks, and most countries have institutionalized a system known as financial reserve banking, under which banks hold liquid assets equal to only a portion of their current liabilities. In addition to other regulations intended to ensure liquidity, banks are generally subject to minimum capital requirements based on an international set of capital standards. As far as the present day commercial banks are concerned, they have three ancestors, and they are the merchants, the goldsmiths, and the money lenders. They tried to settle their transactions by paper claims, which were as good as coins for monetary purposes. Particularly, the development of banking in England is traced to the goldsmiths, who became prominent in the middle of the 17th century. The safe deposit receipts issued by the goldsmiths transformed into bank notes. They were payable on demand and enjoyed considerable circulation. The goldsmiths gradually discovered that large sums of money were left in their keeping for long period, and in course of time they thought it safe and profitable to lend out a part of their customers' money for short period. Later on, the goldsmiths also realized that they could lend out more money than they had in reserve of coins. It is out of this that the modern banking has evolved. So, students, we have understood that how modern banking has evolved from the three ancestors and what is a bank. Thank you.